wabarakatuh. So today, how are you all? First of all, tell me how are you? Please mute everyone.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
Walaikum.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर। I'm Sari Shanwas.
I'm Shahbaz Beta. Yes, class. Okay,
Yes, sir.
we are going to start. Okay, just open your
अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर।
book, mathematics workbook. Walaikum Assalam, beta. Please open your mathematics workbook. Yes, everyone opened it.
What you taught yesterday in math? My battery.
Mariam.
Okay.
Last time I was
Yes, yesterday.
because my battery is.
Yesterday,
sir.
Walaikum Assalam, beta. Yesterday we discussed.
Page number.
We discussed about the worksheets, okay, and some properties of mathematics. Page number, beta, please open your page number 26. 26.
Sir, of applying mathematics or new enjoying?
New and join,
You join.
okay, and
Sir, I have sent the assignment. Have you checked it
not now,
yesterday?
yes, but I didn't check it. I will check later, inshallah. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, when you will announce math test?
Everyone is ready for the test. Everyone has prepared.
Yes, sir.
Only your voice is coming.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Step 5.
Yes, sir.
Fraction. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
that's good, mashallah. Your both the,
IMS.
yes, beta.
Sir, will you assign the assignment on IMS ALG app?
For what?
Sir, you are saying today's test.
No, I didn't assign. Students are saying for the math stats, so I am saying that everyone is ready for the test. So inshallah,
Okay,
inshallah, I will announce. So
sir, take on Monday.
okay, I will later. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I decided the date and I will announce in the app. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, yes, everyone keep quiet. And first of all, before starting the class, don't shout. Okay, first of all, I congratulate everyone got very good marks in the test. Okay,
Yes.
What is highest in girls?
20 out
Who
of
got
20,
the highest?
20 out of 20. But I will discuss later. I know 20 out of 20 is the highest. Okay, many girls got higher 20 out of 20. Okay, let's discuss about maths first. My screen is visible
Okay,
to you?
No, sir.
Wait, okay. Now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very good, mashallah. So, open page number 26.
Sir, we have opened.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what's your first question?
Sir, page number 26.
Yes, beta.
Sir, multiple choice question. A 3-digit number is multiplied by another 3-digit number. The answer will have,
No enjoying.
sir,
Sir, 3 or
none of
4
these.
digits only. Sir, 3 or 4 digits.
No. No, sir, it is none of these.
No, sir, it can be 3 or 4 digits.
It is none of these.
Beta, listen to me.
Yes. Sir,
Okay. When listen. Is it my screen visible to you?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Let me check what happened to my pen. Take a second. Okay. Take out your copies for calculation also and write down any 3-digit number. Okay. What is the smallest 3-digit number?
100.
100.
Sir,
Is
is
it?
smallest.
Yes.
Sir, 100.
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
So what do you think when 100 is multiplied, 100 is multiplied by 100 again? What will be the answer?
It will be, sir, I'm telling, wait. Sir, please repeat the question.
I am saying, beta, when 100 is multiplied by a number, another number, a 3-digit number, what will be the
Sir,
answer?
it will be 10,000. 10,000.
10,000.
Sir, it will be 1 lakh.
Wait,
No,
do it.
Sir,
Whatever
it
the
will be 1
number of
lakh.
zeros,
It
okay,
will be 1 lakh.
listen to me.
Sir, it will be 1 lakh.
How many zeros you are having?
6 zeros.
And when 100 is multiplied by 100,
6. Sir, 4.
4 zeros will be there. Okay. So,
Sir,
how
10,000.
many?
Sir, 4 zero will be there. That
Oh.
will be 10,000.
Okay.
Yes.
So, how many digits
Yes,
are
sir.
there?
It is 10,000.
How many digits
Sir,
are there?
5 digits.
5 digits.
Sir, 4 digit only.
Beta, this is 1 digit, 2,
Yes, sir.
3.
And it's
Sir,
4
which
digit.
exercise it is?
Okay,
Beta,
sir.
it is a
4 digits only.
worksheet on page number 26. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Is it clear? So, in the first question, listen to me carefully. In the first question, it is given that when a 3-digit number is multiplied by a 3-digit number. So, we are saying we are getting a 5-digit number. So, in the options are a 3-digit number only, 4 digits number only, okay, 3 or 4 digits number only, or none of these. So, answer will be
None of these.
Yes, sir. None of these.
none of
None of
these.
these.
Sir, answer will be
None of these. Very good. And second question is look at the number pattern given below. Okay, what is the next number after
Sir,
30?
21.
How?
21.
How, beta?
right side of the list, there is
one.
this empty.
After 5, 8 is coming.
do solution.
If we will add into 5,
Then
if
5.
we will add 8 into 5,
Then
it will come 8. So if we will add 5 in the 8, it will come 13. If we will add 8 in 13, it will come 21.
Very good.
What will the next numbers? 0,
Sir,
1,
I
1,
told.
2, 3,
Just
4,
13
5,
plus
7, 8,
21.
9, 10,
Sir,
11.
as 5 is added by 3 is 8. So 8 will be added by 5. It will be 13 and 13 will be added by 8. So it will be 21.
Sir, answer will be 18.
Sir, 21.
Beta, how it will be 18?
Sir, 21.
Sir, 21. I have told you solution.
Yes.
also.
Is
Sir,
it
I have
clear?
also told solution.
Yes, sir. Answer will 21.
Okay. Who is opening the camera, beta? Farhan? Farhan, beta. Farhan. Farhan, close the camera immediately.
Sir, by mistake it has opened.
Sir, I'm not opening the camera.
Sir, next question also I can tell you.
Can I tell next question?
Sir, please can
Sir,
I?
it is C part
Wait,
73
wait,
and
wait.
43, the odd number.
Wait. Okay.
Sir, please.
Farhan, Ayatullah, tell me question number 3. If you know the product of the house number Saloni and Rajiv is odd. Okay. Only Farhan will answer. Okay. Mute everyone. Okay. No one will reply. Is it clear? The product of the house number of Saloni and Rajiv is an odd number. Okay. Which of the following pair could be their houses number? Will be the house number. Beta, I am saying.
Assalamualaikum, sir. I can tell.
No, Farhan, Ayatullah, are you not there? Are you not responding? Yes, Farhan.
Sir, I can tell.
Yes.
Sir, please can I?
The answer will be 73 and 43.
Why?
Yes, sir. It's correct.
Sir, please can I?
Sir, I think.
I think.
No,
How
sir,
you-
please.
How you
Solution
think?
also?
Solution also.
Sir, can I tell you the solution?
Beta,
Please
wait for a
write.
second. Let me complete, beta. Faizan, oh, Farhan.
Sir, I can tell.
Beta, wait for a second. Farhan.
Assalamualaikum, sir. I can tell.
Beta, wait for a second. Yes, Farhan, how you will say, on what basis it will be C, 73 and 43?
That is very easy.
It is very easy, beta.
Yes.
Yes, sir, please can I?
Sir, can I?
Okay. Wait. Mashallah, all of the students are doing very well.
Tell.
Abdul Ahad, will you reply? Will you answer me?
Sir, I can tell.
Abdul Ahad, will you answer? Yes, Cherish. Hamza Kamar, you will answer? Yes, Cherish.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, tell me, beta.
So I can tell.
Yes, Hamza Kamar.
Sir, the question is the product of the house number of Saloni and Rajiv is an odd number. Which of the following pair could be there? Because 73 cannot be divided by 2 and 43 also cannot be divided by 2. This is why it is odd.
Sir,
And the other
Yes, sir, it is correct.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
can I
sir.
also check
The answer is
one more,
correct.
one more example?
Sir, one more thing.
Beta,
Yeah, can I tell
basically,
you?
listen to me. Listen to me. In this
Sir, I
question,
know it.
beta, tell me, okay? Just see the numbers, okay? And tell me if the first option is 35 and 62. First will be wrong. Why? Because
Sir,
35.
because
Yes, sir. First one is odd and second one is even.
first one is odd and second one is even.
Yes, sir. Because sir, 35 and 62.
And the C and the third
Find
option.
odd and
And 82 can be
to
divided.
just see the ones place.
And the third option is everything is odd. Both the numbers are odd.
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 Yes,
Okay.
sir.
But that's why
For seeing odd
answer
and
is
number, we have to
73
see
and
the
43.
ones place.
So 73 and 43 are the only numbers having odd in their last.
73 and 43.
And
Okay.
43. Yes, sir.
These
Yes, sir,
both are
because
odd.
they both are odd number.
Okay.
Yes, sir, they both are odd numbers.
Yes,
Okay.
sir, they both are odd number.
Sir,
Yes, beta, listen to me. You listen to me. If you are shouting, then you tell me if you are shouting. If you are saying to someone and someone are shouting, then what is your convenient to talk with them? No, na. So okay, move to question number 4.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Beta, now it's coming.
It's
Move to question number 4.
Sir, I can tell.
please write.
Okay, is it clear? Yes, move to
Yes, sir.
question number. Yes, beta, move to question number.
Sir,
Move.
can I
Can
tell
I take one?
question number 4? Sir, I can.
Okay, but first tell me what is written. Read the question and tell me.
Sir,
Sir,
I
I'm
can.
reading.
The
The sum of the
Beta,
number
beta,
of
listen.
tree and the tree
and peach
and the
trees
peach
in
tree
an
in an
orchard is even.
Okay.
Which of the following numbers of apple tree
Sir, now E part.
statement?
Only part.
What will be the answer?
The answer will be D. None of these.
None of these. Thus,
Yes, sir, none of these.
Because the numbers
Because
are not even. Not even. In the
both that
option.
it is saying in the question that both trees have even
385. This is also not even number. And 530.
have,
This is also not
even
even number.
numbers.
okay.
Yes, sir.
So, is it clear? Yes,
Yes,
anyone
sir.
have a doubt?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, very well.
I cannot
Sir,
understand.
very well. It is easy. This is easy also, sir.
Are you sure it is D? Beta, here, again you are read the question and try to do it again.
Sir, what?
Again, read the question and do it. This is wrong. Okay, fourth one. The sum of the number of apple trees and peach trees in an orchard is even. The sum is even. Which of the following number of apple trees and peach trees could satisfy this statement? Okay, for that, you here in this question, beta, the sum of the number of trees. Okay. My screen
Sir,
is visible.
please.
My screen is
Yes,
visible,
sir.
beta.
Visible.
Sir, no.
Yes,
Wait,
sir.
wait.
Voice is
No,
visible.
sir, not visible.
Oh, wait.
Sir, please explain on the screen.
Okay, wait, beta. Wait, let me share the screen. Wait for a second. In this question, please read once again. Then I will tell you. Okay.
Okay, sir, I can read, sir.
Yes, beta, you can read.
A
Sir, can I
sum
read?
Beta,
of
no. What?
the number of apples tree and peach trees is an orchard is even.
Here.
Which of the following number of apple tree and peach? Sir, here is saying that apple and peach
Here, beta, it is given
tree
that
sum
the
is
sum
an
of apple
even
trees.
number.
Okay. Means
Sir, here is
sum.
saying which of the following of apples tree and peach tree?
So here sum of apple trees and peach trees.
Sir, your
Yes,
screen
sir.
is not visible.
So, yes, beta. My screen is
Sir,
visible.
your screen is
Not
not
visible.
Sir,
visible.
this is
Not
both.
visible.
Sir,
Wait,
here
wait.
even number is there, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, your screen is not
No,
visible.
sir,
Beta,
your
wait
screen
for a
is not
second.
visible. No, sir.
Wait second. Wait. Now is it visible?
Yes, sir, now it is visible.
Yes.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay, wait for a second.
So now it is not visible.
Yes, sir, now visible. Sir,
No, sir,
Now it is not visible.
Wait, beta.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Yes, sir, visible.
so please tell this.
Sir,
The
please
answer of this
explain
Okay,
question
wait.
number 4 not getting.
has started. Yes, sir, now screen is visible.
So here the sum of numbers of apples. Okay, let any number. Okay, let it be 3, 4, 5, 20, and peach trees will be any number. Take 17, 18, 19. Okay. So to how many total numbers are there if peach and apple? Is anyone getting? Okay.
So, no.
Okay, let
No, sir.
wait.
No, sir.
Look, wait, I'm telling you. Let take number of apple trees.
So you're writing something?
Yes, wait, now let
It is
I am explaining this question number 4. Okay, beta, listen to me
It is
carefully.
not visible.
Beta, kiss.
nothing is
Sir,
visible.
nothing is
Just
visible.
Beta. Okay,
But
once
if you're
again,
writing, it is not-
I'm trying, beta. Wait for a second.
Okay, sir.
Now visible.
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Now visible,
Yes,
beta.
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir, it is not
Not
visible.
visible what you have written.
Beta, it is visible. Everyone is saying it.
not visible.
It is not visible.
Not visible.
It is not visible.
Beta, wait.
Whiteboard is
My
visible.
screen is visible, but what you have written that is not visible.
Sir, the whiteboard.
Beta,
Is writing on.
Beta, wait for a second. Suppose that if you have 20 apple trees, okay? Listen to me, I'm checking it. Why it is not visible? Screen is not visible. Is it now visible now?
Sir, it's visible.
Sir, screen is visible, but what are you writing? Visible, but
Beta, I am saying,
Sir, its screen is so visible, but you are not writing something on the board. It is not seen.
okay, now I'm written question number 4. Is it visible now?
No, sir.
No, sir,
No, sir.
nothing is visible.
It's not visible.
Screen is visible. I am typing.
write to me. It is visible, but whatever you are writing, it is not visible.
Okay, wait. Beta, quiet for a second. Let me check once again. Listen to me. I'm explaining. Listen to me.
Okay.
Now
Okay, sir.
this is visible.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, it is visible.
Now this is
What I have written. Listen.
is visible.
What I am written. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
visible.
okay, very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Okay, listen. Say here in this question number 4, sum of apple trees and peach trees, okay, is even. So take a number of apple trees. Let's say
292.
let's say it will be 20, okay, and
Yes.
peach trees.
Sir, 46.
Let
Sir,
it be
46.
let it be any number. 23.
Sir, 46.
Let any number. I am just explaining what is given. Okay. So how many trees?
even number.
Beta, first listen to me, beta. I am just giving an example to understand this question. Okay, to make you understand.
Sir, I can tell.
Beta,
That
wait.
is equals to 43.
43.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
it is given. Beta, wait. It is given in the question that sum of the number of apple trees and peach trees in an or is an even. Okay. Okay. So here we take the example. If we take the sum, then it will be even or odd.
Assalamualaikum, sir. Myself, Zainab Bazar.
Walaikum Assalam. Beta. Okay. So the sum of apple trees and peach trees will be 43.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is even or odd? This is even or odd?
Sir, these both number are
It is even.
one is
Sir,
even.
odd
but-
number.
It is odd. Sir, it is odd.
Odd number.
Sir,
Okay.
it is odd. Sir, it is odd.
Okay,
Odd,
okay,
odd.
okay, very good. But in question number 4, it is given that their sum is even. So here in options, apple trees and peach trees are given. You have to select such option that their sum will be even. Okay. For that, just add the last date number 385, take
Sir, I
5,
can tell.
and 538, take 8. 8 plus 5 will be 13. Okay. So in one's place, there is 3. So this is odd. Okay. And
The
in the
answer
B
is C.
let's listen. In the B option, 394, take the first digit number, that is 4. And it is 489, take last digit number, first digit
Again
number.
3.
Okay, it's 9. Then 9 plus 4 is 13.
13.
It's again an odd number. So when you take C, 783, 3 and 893. So add 3 plus 3. It will be 6. So it is an even number. Okay.
Okay, sir, I understand.
Okay, so answer
Yes,
is
sir.
C. Fifth one is
Yes,
very
sir.
important. Please tell me fifth one.
Second tell.
Yes, tell me.
So answer will be 15
But
meter long, 15
beta,
meter length.
I am telling
Second
you,
define.
beta, listen to me. To the whole class, I am telling you, if you writing the answer in the test, okay, beta, I earlier said this thing that steps is very important. How you get this answer 15? Yes, anyone explain? Yes, anyone explain me? Yes, anyone explain me?
Sir, what we have to explain? Can you please tell?
Beta, fifth question, the
Sir,
length
again?
and breadth. Yes, tell me.
Sir, I can.
Yes, tell me.
The length and the breadth of a rectangular garden differ by 2 meters. If the perimeter is 56, then the length of a field is. The perimeter is equal to 56 meter, and the area the so we will first take first we will take the formula of taking out the length from the perimeter. That is equals to perimeter divided by
What?
length.
Perimeter divided by length.
So
Length and breadth of a rectangular garden differ by 2 meters, and its parameter is this. So it is asking the length of the field. So sir, I can send you the solution on your personal number.
Yes, you can send me also.
So
Beta, first of all, what do you mean by perimeter? What is perimeter?
the outer boundary.
perimeter is the boundary, outer area of something. Just like we have a rectangular, so
The
its
boundary
outer
of
area.
Beta, not
The
about
boundary of
listen
size.
to me. Listen to me. It is not an area. First of all,
Sir, the boundary of any shape.
The perimeter is
is
the
first of all, listen to
length
me.
Boundary of any
of a
shape.
thing.
First of
Close
all,
the shape.
Unmute everyone.
perimeter is the length of the boundary. Okay, or we
Yes,
can
sir.
say that the
Yes, sir.
summation of all the sides, the sum of all the sides,
Yes, sir.
sum of
So distance around.
all the sides.
It can be distance around. We have learned it
Okay,
in.
Yes,
sum
sir.
of all the
Sum
sides
of all
or
the sides.
boundaries, total boundary, total.
So we can say distance around.
Okay, total
Sir, here
boundary.
written or total boundary.
Okay, so in this question, the length and breadth of a rectangular garden differ by 2. Okay, so they are
Yes,
differ
sir.
by 2. And
Yes, sir.
and for taking the perimeter, okay, if you take the length, take any length, okay, take it x, and what will be the breadth? It will be differ by 2. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so it will be less by breadth by 2 meters. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And when you add the length, okay, in square or in rectangular gardens, how many lengths are there?
Sir, 2.
Very good, mashallah.
Yes,
And
sir.
how many breadth are there?
Sir, 2 meters.
Okay.
Breadth.
So
Sir,
beta,
2.
listen to me. If you add all the length and add all the breadth,
Then we will get the perimeter of a
We will get
rectangle.
then we get the
length of
perimeter.
field.
Of rectangle.
Yes, sir. Of rectangle.
Then we get the perimeter of the
Rectangle.
Rectangle. Okay. But
Yes, sir.
Perimeter is given. Perimeter is given to you, na?
Yes, sir. The perimeter is given, the length and breadth is not given. So, sir, we
Okay.
have to find length and breadth.
We have to divide.
You have to find out the length and breadth. Okay. Then you can make the equation. Okay. And by that you can find the length. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes.
I am
Yes.
explaining you. If you want, I will explain it again. But this is very important. Try to do your own. Okay.
Sir, we do and use solution.
Okay.
So
I will
then
see. I
we
will
will
see.
use the
Inshallah.
formula.
Okay. Let me check what you have given. What you are sending to me. Everyone is beta. Please listen to me. Everyone is understanding this question. This is very
Yes, sir.
important.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So move to question number 6.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, can you show the solution of question number 5?
Okay. You send me first. Let me check what you did.
sir, I have query.
Yes, beta. Tell me.
Sir, you can tell fifth question again because I don't understand.
Okay. I am telling you that in question number 5, length is given to you and breadth is given to you, but not in numbers. Okay. It is given to you in a variable form, or take any number. Say if length is given to you, let's say it is given 5. Okay. Then breadth of the rectangular garden is differ by 2 meters. Then that will be 2 meter less. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we know the length also. We know the breadth also.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay. So if we all, and we know that perimeter of a rectangle is 56.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So in this way, you know that I just wrote on the screen that perimeter is sum of all the sides. So how many length will be there if we add the lengths? But there will be 2 length and 2 breadth. When we add both the lengths and both the breadths, we will get the perimeter of the rectangle. Here perimeter is given to you. Okay.
Sir, 4
4.
perimeter.
What
Okay,
4?
15, sorry. 15.
15. Yes.
There
Send me the who has solved this. Send me who has solved.
Sir, answer is coming 28
No, beta.
meter.
Yes, mine so. 28.
Beta, and you solved. Let me check. Give it. Send me the solution.
Sir, see, we have divided this is divided by 2. So my answer is
Yes, sir, we have divided the length. Sir, in the length and the breadth of a rectangular garden differed by 2 meters. Its perimeter is 56 meter. The length of the field, sir, we have to divide.
Send me the. Send
Yes,
me.
sir. 56 divided by 2.
Send me.
Sir, 56 not multiplied. Divide.
Okay, send me the solution. Let me check what you are doing.
Sir, on your personal number.
Yes, send it to me.
Okay, sir.
So length will comes out to be 15 and breadth will comes out to be 13. Yes, everyone got it or not? Length and
Yes,
breadth.
sir.
So the answer is 28.
20, not 28, it's 15.
Sir, then I'm not getting it. My answer is coming 28.
It is coming 58 after dividing 2 and 56.
Sir, my answer is
Sir,
15.
I'm not getting it. Can you please
Okay,
explain one more
okay,
time?
okay, Cherish, you have sent me the solution. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is wrong. Send me again. Try to solve it. Okay, write down. It will be 3b. You have written 3b. Length is 5 times
So
L.
that- No, sir, that is another thing.
Sir, I'm not getting it. Can you please explain?
Beta, I am saying it to you that the length and breadth of a garden is differ by 2. Let whatever you have taken the length. Okay. Let's say you have taken length is equals to 10. Okay. And its breadth is differ by 2 meters. There is a difference of 2 in the breadth from the length. Okay. If length is 10, then breadth will be 10 minus 2. Is it clear?
Sir, can I tell? Sir, I can explain.
Yes, please.
Sir, the answer is equals to 15, and the solution is that the formula of perimeter is equals to length in 2 plus length bracket length
Send me,
and
Hamza,
breadth.
send me.
Sir, the perimeter of a is
I'm
to
saying
length.
I am telling you again and again, this question is
So
very much
first we will, I think,
important.
subtract.
First of all, you get the length and breadth. First of all, then after that, you know that, then you write down the length and breadth as perimeter. Okay. Is it clear? Okay, I will make a video. Okay, I will make a short video of this and post it on the app. Is it clear to everyone?
So I'm sending the solution.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
Because I'm not getting question.
Sir, now we will come on question number 6.
Better, whatever you problem, please tell me. I'll make a short video of question number 5.
Sir, I have query in question number 5. Please explain it.
Beta, I am telling
So question
you,
number 5 is clear.
take a length. Okay. Is it clear to you? Okay, I will make the video because meeting is about to over. Okay. I will make a video. Okay.
Sir, if you make the video, it will be more better to us.
I will definitely inshallah make a video. Don't worry for that. Okay.
Inshallah.
Beta 27 and page number 28. Okay, this you have to do in assignment
Okay, sir.
up to page number 29. Okay, whatever the queries, please ask me by Sunday.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ask me by
Okay,
Sunday
Sir,
and
on
please
page number 20.